Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming recovery details so Google can reach you, phone and alternate email. Once done, open security settings and locate two-step verification. Make sure backup codes are downloaded or that an authenticator app is installed. You do this now because proceeding without a backup will lock you out. Also verify your device clock is set to automatic time since code algorithms depend on exact time. Finally, keep the device that receives SMS nearby and charged. Next, if the SMS code never arrives, request a resend and choose the voice call option. Sometimes carriers block SMS. Once done, open your Authenticator app and use the 6-digit code there, or enter one of your backup codes. Those bypass SMS entirely. Make sure you temporarily disable VPNs, message filters, or do not disturb that might block delivery. Also check that your carrier account is active and not blocking international short codes, since Google uses those. If prompted, approve the device. Finally, if none of the authentication paths work, use the account recovery flow. Answer questions about recent activity and which devices you used. This proves account ownership. Once restored, revoke old app passwords, reconfigure the Authenticator app, and immediately generate new backup codes. Store them somewhere secure. Make sure two-step verification settings list the phone and device you want. If you still have issues, try recovery again with more precise details, because accuracy increases success.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.